Hi, I'm Shiva Prasad. I'm a recent graduate from ECE and I got placed at OpenSkill with the package of 3 LPA. Yeah, they did not reacted as much as we expected because she wanted to go to government side, but I choose the IT side. That's it. There are some sleepless nights. Most of my friends got placed in at different companies, but as a topper, as a everything, I did not place it till. So there are many nights, but I believe in myself and work hard. That's it. As coming to skills, I took Python full stack course at High Technologies, and Abdullah sir, which sir helped me very much. I think he explained the real aspects, real-time projects, like some of the scenarios. Same things I convey to at different interviews. I took full stack Python course in which they covered all the essential things which are required for the freshers, and some of the real-time scenarios well explained by Abdullah sir. Sir used to explain the real-time examples, which helped me a very lot. Like in the interviews, they mainly focus on the real-time project. How would you tackle a problem? How would you tackle a situation? They mainly focus on that thing. Sir used to tell all those things in the class itself. As everyone says, I'll give to my mother. That's it. She can do whatever she wants. I will tell in Telugu. ఏం టెన్షన్ పడకరి, వచ్చే టైంలో ఆటోమేటిక్గా అదే వస్తుంది. కుల్లా ట్రైనింగ్ అయిపోయే వరకు దేని మీద కంప్లైంట్ చేయకుండా మనదేదో మనం ప్రిపేర్ అవుతే ఆటోమేటిక్ వచ్చే టైంకి అదే వస్తుంది. దట్స్ ఇట్. బిలీవ్ ఇన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. At manager level, somewhat like team lead.